Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, optical drive, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, solid-state drive, and hard disk drive assembly. Removal. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channels in the bottom frame. Remove the 13 6mm T8 Torx head screws that secure the bottom frame to the top cover. Remove the two 8.5mm T8 Torx head screws that secure the bottom frame to the top cover. Remove the 5 2.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws in the optical drive and hard disk drive bay that secure the bottom frame to the top cover. Loosen the 3 captive P1 Phillips head screws identified with keyboard icons that secure the keyboard to the top cover. Carefully separate the edges of the bottom frame from the top cover. Lift the bottom frame off of the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the bottom frame.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.